Since it is such a beautiful day, figure I would get a quick loop here. It's a Carbon River Rainforest trail. Nice little creek right over here going from the cross. Oh, look at that moss. That is so cool. That is pretty cool. Anyway, it's a little 3/10 of a mile. So a third, if you will. It's kind of cool looking. Lots of kids are usually here. It's not right now, which hey, I ain't complaining one bit. Here's a different kind of rainforest. There we go. Got water. That's called a rainforest. Yeah. Woo! The size of these trees. I'm slowly making some repairs to the place here, which is good because it sure needs it. There's water running over there, but this trail branches off here in a second. It could go to the left up the top, and it takes you to the west boundary trail, and then I believe to Florence Peak, past a little waterfall there. So I'm going to try to do that here one of these days soon. There we go. But look at all the debris that's fallen here, and they've had to cut through and fix just so people can enjoy this little rainforest trail here. Pretty cool. That old trail there. Old boardwalk got tore up. Oh, there we go. You see, I'm the only one here. Yep, got to do a little bushwhacking here, a little bit, improvising, adapting, overcoming. Some water rushing over there somewhere. But, oh, they have definitely been making some repairs to this since I've been here last. Oh, man. Well, that's what I buy the annual pass for. And evidently, they are using that money, putting it to use. So thank you very much. So much cooler in out here. Oh, yeah. Here's where you go up. Towards the west boundary, and towards that little waterfall, which I can't remember the name of there, and I ain't going all the way up there, so forget that. Anyway, this is the part I've done here recently. I knew that they definitely need to do some repairs too, and they're getting there, I reckon. I walked this when it was frozen over, and it was slick. Oh my goodness. Slick anyway. There's like algae always on this stuff when it gets wet. So imagine it when it's just freezing over. But anyway, just look at this. These trees here. Got That's where is the West Boundary Trail takes you up there, way up there, way up there. Anyway. Oh wow, just here shows you when these fallen giants, their root system, what got pulled up with it when it fell over. Dang. See, here it is from this side. Definitely got some repairs to make on this side of the loop. And they're getting there. Ugh. Yeah, they definitely got to make some repairs over here. I'm sure they're getting to it. This should give me an even 3 miles a day for hiking. Or maybe a little bit more, but I wanted to make sure. I wanted to take it light today. Old mountain trail. And in the old mountain there, explored that a little bit. Carbon River Trail. And then right at the beginning here, the Rainforest Trail. At the old ranger station. The old Carbon River Rainforest Station. Defunct, if you will. Obsolete. Closed down. They always had lots of bad flooding up here. As you can see there. But yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, I forgot about the little bridge here. Cool little trail there. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed it. I did. Have a good one.